Minetom 31-foot outdoor string LED patio lights. They're waterproof, 9 shatterproof S14 vintage Edison bulbs. It's a commercial grade outside hanging light for your porch, deck, garden, backyard, balcony, you name it. These LED string lights outdoor are UL listed and constructed with flame retardant anti-aging wire. The package includes a spare bulb and backup fuse for added peace of mind. Enjoy bright, consistent illumination with the confidence that comes from a robust, commercial-grade outside hanging light build. You get 9 in one string, 31 feet long. They're about 3 feet apart, but I love this vintage look. That's what's unique about it. And as I showed you, that bulb is replaceable. This is your waterproof cover. You have your little hooks here to put it on gutters or things. You also have a hook on the back to hang. These are dimmable, which is a nice feature. Dimmer not included, of course. And you can extend these. So you'll have your female plug here, and you can just extend them. These are all year-round lights, whether it's winter, fall, summer, completely waterproof.